So it seems as though we might have a very nice correlating market for NRGV against the ES, guys, which is your S&P 500 E-mini futures contracts, which is what you're seeing here on the right-hand side of mine. There is a gap up presently happening, right? I mean, very slight, but it is. So the S&P 500 is currently showing futures contracts in the upward bound. Okay, so we do have a couple things and a couple dynamics that may impair NRGV's direction, or maybe not, because it's just relentless and it's just been going and going and going. Now, I do see also a psychological formation kind of being put together here, and sometimes that formation could prove very nice, specifically bull flags. A little bit of an awkward one, but it's still one, okay? So let's go ahead and find out if it's all over for the great here, or if it's still got more upside to go, because so far, guys, we reached that 455 out of the 465 that we've been talking about for a very good while. But yeah, before we do that, welcome back to the team, everybody. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. My name is Arca, coming at you here at a late night in LA, 10:48 p.m. Pacific time on Wednesday, October 15th. Spot price closure on the post market was $4.40. Daily time frame, of course, $4.40. Unless we just have that thing completely all messed up. Sorry, guys. The extended hours on this would be, yeah, 440. My goodness. It really is 440. Okay, so let's go ahead and identify the continuation of this, of the asset, right, guys? So we're going to just go ahead and evaluate that bull flag that we're looking at here. A little choppy, but still looking pretty good. And should it have a move to the upside, well, we'll know how that's going to kind of pan out here, right? So there are, yeah, I think we could actually just do it now. All right, perfect. We'll go ahead and take this, apply it to the top of the bull flag here, and this is going to give us the price objective, of which could be around the targets of around 508. Now, speaking historically, 508, so let's go ahead and just kind of place that there. Let's see, just like this here. And oh my goodness, it's actually meeting a really nice area of resistance here, when one of which is almost perfect. So when this happens, guys, I think that it would be pertinent for us to kind of evaluate the price and see about those pivots with a larger time frame, or against a larger time frame, better said. So yeah, so we're sitting right now at around that 440. We have a gap here at around that 449 that we actually made a new high out of. Very good. So if I were to say that this is going to drop or come down and consider another target, sure, I think it would actually be a little higher than that 465. So it's a very nice bi-weekly gap here, or weekly gap right there. That's what I think we could be using as far as resistance. So naturally, I'm going to have to go ahead and use the bottom side of this market here, which is very, very conveniently enough at the top side of this gap here, right, which is already at the targets that we're at. So sure, we can use the 457 target as a very bottom side of that resistance. So I would say just like this here, and apply, you know, via full discretion here, right, team? Yeah, apply the resistance right at this level here. Very much a lot of confluence around that 477. Okay, so number one, this is going to be the zone here with liquidity grabs starting right about, I want to see if we have any confluence. Yep, this is pretty nice here. Yeah, I guess this is going to be right around these targets here. So I'm going to just go ahead and select the highest probability. So this is the zone on top, and this is your zone right below that. Okay, guys, so several areas of resistance are coming up here for NRGV. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of put them in here just real fast. And I mean, the chart seems simple enough right now. So I know that we have a bunch of dynamics happening here, like a bunch of closures of time frames, and that can, you know, always kind of impair the directional bias on this. So here we go. Based on, yeah, nice, very nice. Okay, so yeah, this looks pretty bang on. Right? Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of these lines right up here and this one here. Just make things a little, you know, cleaner. Perfect. So these are areas of resistance, guys, that we're going to set up here as your potential zones of take profit, right? I mean, it's up to you guys. If you're trading this intraday, if you're, you know, playing volatility moves on it, all good. That's all on you. I really can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold. So, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at that for now. So this would be a focus area here, right about here at around 499, right? 499 to around 495 is a pretty critical zone. Of course, it's psychological. We got a $5 target there. So let's draw that support bound just like this, guys, and keep the color yellow on that. Just you guys remember. You guys remember, right? Here we go. Perfect. And yeah, there's another similar zone here too, right? We would have to focus the areas of around 465 to 457. And this, of course, becomes our more immediate, you know, the short-term focus right here, right? Perfect. So that is that right there. And should we have any continuation to the upside, we'll go ahead and see. I'm not saying that it can't happen. I'm just saying that this is extremely overextended. But if it's got the strength, it's got the strength, guys. That's all that matters here, right? I will, guys, please remember that if when you join the Arca Bulls trading team, you're going to be approached by an Arca and it's a fake, right? Please make sure to not speak to that Arca. Make sure to know that I will never reach out to you first. I'm telling you here. I'll never reach out to you first. I'll never friend request you first. I'll never approach you first or ask you to send any crypto to some random weird software wallet, whatever. It's not me, okay, guys? I'm just not getting in touch with anybody here at all. Okay, so continuing on this thesis, let's just go ahead and review a little bit of volatility, and that should be it. Nrgv, it's I mean, with their legendary power storage, man, I guess this is it's extremely positive. And now, yeah, also with the new $300 million deal here, yeah, they're doing good. Upside continues from the 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 10-minute time frame, still with an upside, still into the 15, 20 minutes still has it. Wow, 30 minutes up, hourly up. Into the 3, 4, let's see. Fine. 4 hours time frame of upside. We're literally not seeing any downside here. So if this thing opens up pre-market here, it would start literally from 440, and that would take this around 24 cents to the upside. So the 464 is located just not over here, right? So that would be that would be right about there. 465 dead on the money, right, guys? Well, 1 cent deviation here. So very interesting. So downside would be from the 465. So I guess let's that's very cool. I guess we can go ahead and just start doing something like this, right, guys? Guys, please remember that the beginners master's course is about to it's ending tomorrow. So it's open enrollment right now, guys. 9 weeks, $100 mentorship live with me. Okay, guys. So make sure to get enrolled while those seats last. So yeah, guys, let's see about retracing this area here into a resistance of around that 456 before continuing like this. Let's see if that can happen. Okay, so 460. Hold on. We have the yeah, I think we could actually reach that first. We have nothing but upside. Just up, all the way through upside. Man, what a champ. This is insane. Still, yeah. How is that, like, not stopping? Was it for real, the 4 hour? I guess, yeah, guys, I guess that's it. Downside starts from the 4 hour, continues onto the 6. Oh. Okay, 12 hour. Fine. Oh my goodness, just a day's worth of downside with a fired signal. This thing is absolutely volatile and is still ripping with an overbought average of 4 bars, 4.17 bars. Guys, we are sitting at 1 critical bar right now. Actually, 2. We just closed the second one, or we're about to close it, right? And it's next is going to be your third one, guys, at a 4.17 daily bars. So this could still ride to the upside another 2 days, which is insanity. So yeah, guys, 465 total downside here would lead towards around 35 cents, right? So that quite literally puts you from the year 465 just to 35 cents down. So I mean, dude, 440 is like not a big deal. Or 430, whatever, guys. I think the 430 would be a better outlook here because your 435 is the opening of the prior day. So yeah, I guess 440 to 430 could be good. It's also that would be your gap closure, guys. Like your true gap closure would be back into, let's just I have to do it like that. I really have to do it from literally 450. Yep, it's already kind of there. So I'm just going to draw this line right here. Let's just do this. The box will be located between the closing valuation and the opening valuation of the daily time frame, which is what we drew. So here, guys, from this point is where we rally. So upside, we would have into the 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, just infinity here, right? So bi-weekly, oh, yeah, I mean, it's still there. 3-week time frame, massive upside, massive expansion. Oh my goodness, it is not over. It is not over. This is ridiculous, man. Wow. Okay, so 4-week time frame still on the up, right? Let's just do your 1 month. That is insanely up, right? 2 months of upside. Guys, stop it. You know what I mean? This is insane. Like, this is actual pivoting here. This is real macro pivoting. So if we're looking at a current, current ATR top on this is 406. It's blasted through that. So your monthly time frame, it has a current ATR top of 395. Of course, we blasted to that, right? Here's your bi-weekly top side. Maybe this one could do it. $4. Are you joking? Oh, that's probably because we're about to get a bunch of closures, guys. We're about to see a bunch of closures here soon. So, no, let's see. Guys, what? No, like, I don't even know what to say. All these time frames are about to close. 3-day, 4-day, the 5, hold on. What did the 4-day just do? Goodness. The 4-day actually got the retrace and now it's continuing. It's got 4 days to close. Guys, the downside is likely in. The downside is very likely in. And this is potentially continuing, guys. But the ATR top on this is 482. Your 4-day time frame extension is leading to 482. And we have a 496 in line with a top side of around 477. So 477 is the confluent target, guys. I think that we're going up here. And that pullback is probably going to land just like that. 436 to around 440 entry conditions here. Bounce from this area, continue to the upside. We're looking at a jump from the lowest thing I can see there, sure, 436. First part, maybe tomorrow, guys, this could be jumping into the 477 all the way up here. Still, remember the focus between 457 and 465. It feels like this thing could really, really, into the next 2 days, jump all the way to 508 and beyond. So this is incredibly bullish. Very, very, very scary Jerry Larry bullish. Okay, guys, so yeah, so let's just go ahead and cut it here. If there's any questions or concerns, you reach out to me at arcabulls@gmail.com. But yeah, I'll speak to you guys later. All right, team. Adios. And yeah, adios. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the Bell Mañana. Adios, team. Oh, yeah.